Welcome to HMC Works, your one-stop shop for all your industrial roof repairs, waterproofing and painting requirements. Is your industrial roof showing signs of wear, leaks, or structural damage? Don't wait for a minor issue to become a major repair. At HMC Works, we specialize in professional industrial roof repairs and waterproofing across Gauteng. From concrete and IBR to corrugated roofing systems, our experienced team tackles it all, with precision, safety, and speed. With over 15 years of industry experience, we deliver long-lasting results backed by workmanship guarantees and premium product warranties. Whether it's leak detection, crack sealing, or full waterproofing, HMC Works gets it done right the first time. Our IBR roof waterproofing process begins with thorough preparation, cleaning the surface and identifying weak points like screw holes, joints, and overlaps. We then treat rust and prime the surface to ensure strong adhesion. Next, we apply a high-performance waterproofing system, sealing every joint and fastener, creating a seamless, weatherproof barrier. To finish, a UV-resistant top coat protects the roof from harsh South African weather, extending its lifespan and improving energy efficiency. The result? A durable, watertight IBR roof that performs for years to come. Need your IBR roof waterproofed? Trust the specialists. Call HMC Works today for inspection and quote.